Hello everyone, my name is José Mauricio Pérez Sierra, and today I will explain the synaptic table. Um, uh, this is the synaptic table, and the theme is excessive processing time. Uh, the causes is many companies choose not to initiate procedures of this magnitude. uh, Companies must dedicated a lot of time and paperwork to be able to obtain a certification of this type. The procedures can make it difficult for some companies to decide and not to show their products to the public, since some products can be copied or lose their originality. Uh, this type of obstacles can be observed in articles such as the DIAN, where the excessive processing time has the 31.8%. The pro In the consequence, the first is the product or service will have to wait for its commercialization due to delays in processing of intellectual property, legal problem over copyright and impersonation will have a high percent, and there will be not a recognition of the work of the creator of the product of service. And the recommendations, the two recommendations, the first is anticipate all the paperwork required by each entity, so that the day the company wishes to carry out the processes is facilitated. And the second recommendation is seek information to avoid delays in each of the processes required by the superintendents of industry and commerce. Thank for watching this video, and see you later.